Have you ever stared at your bank account on a Thursday afternoon, realizing that rent is due on Tuesday and the cupboard is looking bare? It's a scenario millions of people face every month. The traditional pay cycle can feel frustratingly long, especially when unexpected bills or emergencies pop up. That's where Earned Wage Access, EWA, apps come in. These innovative apps allow you to access a portion of your already earned wages before your official payday. It's like getting a mini paycheck to tide you over until the big one arrives. But with so many EWA options available, you might be wondering, what app is like DailyPay? Well, fret not, fellow financially challenged friend. This video dives deep into some of the top DailyPay alternatives, exploring their features, fees, and how they can help you manage your cash flow better. DailyPay duplicates. The contenders. First up, we have PayActive. They offer instant access to up to 50% of your earned wages, with minimal fees and a focus on financial education. PayActive also boasts budgeting tools and a rewards program to keep you engaged and financially responsible. Next, let's talk about Branch. This app allows you to access earned wages, but it also throws in some unique features like early bill payments and instant discounts at partnered retailers. It's like having a mini financial assistant in your pocket. We can't forget about WageStream. This EWA app prides itself on being employer-sponsored, which means your boss might already offer it as a benefit. WageStream also focuses on financial wellness, providing tools and resources to help you build a budget and achieve your financial goals. Another strong contender is Zayzoon. They offer instant access to a portion of your earnings, with the option to split it between a direct deposit and a reloadable debit card. Zayzoon also caters to gig workers and freelancers, making it a good choice for those with non-traditional pay structures. Finding your EWA BFF. Now, choosing the right EWA app is like finding your financial best friend. Here are some key factors to consider. Fees. Some apps charge a flat fee per transaction, while others have a subscription model. Look for transparent pricing and choose an app that fits your budget. Access. How much of your earned wages can you access? Daily limits and percentages vary between apps. Features. Do you need budgeting tools, early bill pay, or other bells and whistles? Employer integration. Does your employer offer any EWA programs directly? This could save you on fees and streamline the process. Beyond the apps. Building financial security. Remember, EWA apps are a tool, not a magic solution. While they can help with short-term cash flow issues, building a solid financial foundation is crucial. Here are some tips. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand your spending habits. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses to cover unexpected costs. Explore other income streams. Consider side hustles or freelance work to boost your income. EWA apps like DailyPay can be a lifesaver for managing your cash flow. But remember, they're just one piece of the financial wellness puzzle. By using them responsibly, alongside budgeting and saving strategies, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.